How to enable or disable FaceTime notification badges on the iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro or the Pro Max. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, look for the settings icon. Now from here, we then scroll down and tap on apps. Then scroll down and tap on FaceTime. In here, tap on notifications. Then scroll down and tap on badges. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on FaceTime notification badges. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now with the notification badges, when you have notifications, then it will show on your FaceTime icons on the top corner with this red dot on the top corner to indicate that you have new notifications. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.